Hello children, good morning to you all. I hope you have understood yesterday's concept that was about the modals and compound words. And today we are going to deal with very new topic, that is adjectives and the nouns formed by using these adjectives. Adjectives and nouns. Understand? What is this adjectives and nouns? Adjectives are describing words, okay? And the nouns are naming words. So, here what we are going to learn is, we are going to convert the adjectives into nouns. Understand? Which nouns we will do? Abstract nouns, which can be felt. Abstract nouns. See, adjectives can be converted or changed into nouns. They are called abstract nouns. We learnt about 4 kinds of nouns: common noun, proper noun, collective noun and abstract noun. So, abstract noun is the noun which is the name of such a thing which can be felt but cannot be seen or touched. Happiness, you can feel happiness, you cannot touch it or you can not see it. Darkness, cleverness, purity, understand, smartness, etc. So, for example, in your textbook one exercise is given on the basis of it. They have given the nouns which are made out of adjectives, and you have to use their adjectival form to complete the sentence. So before going to that, we are going to learn what adjective and its noun form. Adjective and its noun form. We are going to have a list of it. After having its list, then how to use it in the sentence we are going to learn. Okay. For example, in your textbook, they have given the soldiers were rewarded for their bravery. Bravery is the noun form. Can you see the bravery? Can you touch? No. Brave, being brave is called bravery. So brave is adjective. He is a brave soldier. The dog is very brave. Understand? Like that. So in this way, cleverness. Sheila is a clever girl. Her cleverness made her popular all over the school. In that way, we can do. So first, let me give you the list of adjectives and their noun forms. Let us have them first. In first case, bravery is given. Adjective form is brave. Its noun form is bravery. Second one is, they have given in red in your book, beautiful. Beautiful. Beauty. And third, generosity. Generous. Someone, they gave the noun form and asked you to use its adjective form. Someone, they gave the adjective form and asked you to change it into its noun form. So generosity they give, it is noun form. Generous is adjective form. So generosity. Means being generous. Generous means kind. Danger, dangerous. Fifth, different, difference. Such 10 more I have given on my own. These are from the textbook. If it is given in the sentence, you have to change it into this part. If this part is given, you have to change it into this way. For that, you need lot of practice. First thing, you have to learn adjective and its noun form. List of adjectives and their noun forms you should learn. Then only it is possible for you to do this exercise. So next what I want to give is kind, kindness. Seventh, angry, anger. Then curious, curiosity. Poor, poverty. Strong, strength. So first let us do this then. Brave, adjective. Bravery, noun. What type of noun we are learning? They are abstract nouns. You feel it. You cannot touch or see it. So brave, adjective, bravery, noun. Brave adjective, bravery, noun. Brave adjective, bravery, noun. Beautiful adjective, beauty, noun. Beautiful adjective, beauty, noun. Generous adjective, generosity, noun. Generous adjective, generosity, noun. Generous adjective, generosity, noun. Danger adjective, dangerous, noun. Danger adjective and dangerous, noun. Different adjective, difference, noun. Different adjective and difference, noun. Kind adjective, kindness, noun. Kind adjective, kindness, noun. Angry adjective, anger, noun. Angry adjective, anger, noun. Curious adjective, curiosity, noun. Curious adjective, curiosity, noun. Poor adjective, poverty, noun. Poor adjective, poverty, noun. Strong adjective, strength, noun. Strong adjective and strength, noun. Next, 5 more I have to make you. So, once you read this list, you can understand how to change. So, 11th one, smart, smartness. Long, length. Long, length. Deep, depth. P is silent, depth. Famous, fame. Pure, purity. Pure, purity. So, smart adjective, smartness, noun. Smart adjective, smartness, noun. Smart adjective, smartness, noun. Long adjective, length, noun. long adjective, length noun. Deep adjective, depth noun. Deep is adjective, depth is noun. Famous is adjective, fame is noun. Famous is adjective, fame is noun. Pure is adjective, purity is noun. Pure is adjective, purity is noun. So adjectives tell how the things are, how the girl is, how the material is, how the place is. Understand? But it is the noun form. If this is appeared in the sentence, you have to change it into its next part. So this is the list I have given you. You have to note it. And 5 are in the textbook. Understand? They have given 5 like question answers that you are going to write in your notebook. But I am giving out of these new 10 which I have added to them. So choosing them you are writing into your notebook in the same way. How they have given pattern I am showing you now. This is a list I made for you to make it easy for you to learn. Right? Now I am going to, they asked you rewrite these sentences using the noun or adjective forms of the words in the color. Make changes to the sentence if needed. The first one is done like this. Heading I don't want to write. First one, the soldiers were rewarded. The soldiers were rewarded for their bravery. For their bravery. For their bravery. So this is the word they have used, noun form. The soldiers were rewarded for their bravery, honored for their bravery. Bravery is a noun form. Brave, bravery. Now you have to rewrite the sentence using brave. The soldiers were rewarded for being brave. This way you have to write. Okay. Next one is the queen admired her beautiful new crown. Understand? Here how do you write? The queen admired the beauty of her new crown. The queen admired, just here I am going to write only the answers now. Second, answer 2. The queen admired beautiful, you should change into beauty. Admired the beauty of her crown. Beauty of her crown. This way you have to write it. Answer 3rd I am going to show you now. I am not going to give this in the notes. Notes I am giving on this pattern, based on this pattern, 5 different ones. The old lady was known for her generosity. The old lady was generous. The old lady was generous. This way you have to. Some changes you have to do in the sentence. Now 4th answer. 4th question is, there was danger in the road ahead. The road ahead is dangerous. The road ahead is dangerous. In this way you have to write. And fifth answer is, in what way is the canoe different from an ordinary fishing boat? What is the difference between what is the difference between the canoe means small boat used for fishing, canoe and an ordinary fishing boat. So these are the exercises given in the textbook. First one I showed with the question. You have to copy question as it is, then write the answer, leave a line, then copy the second question, and this type of answer you have to write for it. These 5 are from the textbook. I am going to give you 5 more exercises, bits tomorrow. Okay, in different way I will give. Okay, so this is the thing you must do for today. Okay, so I in the class typed matter you are going to get the list of those adjectives and noun forms, and this you are doing in the textbook, and 5 more I will give you tomorrow for your practice. So here we stop. Thank you, children.